Every year, Yamaha delivers the best experience on the water for first-time boat owners, but you don't have to take our word for it. Of course, all of this great feedback didn't stop us from making the 19-foot lineup of boats even better. The 2019 lineup redefines the entry-level experience with a larger bow and an updated cockpit, giving you plenty of freedom to move. Even while entertaining, the whole family can enjoy the comfort of intelligently designed seating, while a more spacious swim platform provides the perfect launch point for the day's activities. With a reliable Yamaha marine engine powered by over 50 years of marine heritage, plus the Yamaha Total Package that delivers everyone's favorite accessories for no additional cost. Our new 19-foot lineup is the choice when it comes to getting your first boat. Are you ready to run the water for years to come?